Let's begin our grammar section with active and passive voice. In this section, I am not going to give you entire active and passive voice structure in a day. Instead of that, today in this video, I am going to discuss with you about only the changes in simple present tense. What changes will occur in active sentence when it changes to passive. So here, first of all, what you are supposed to do, all the people who are watching, please note down simple present tense and verb plus SOES form that I will explain in detail. And when it changes into passive, it will change is, are, and definitely verb should be in V3 form. So I hope everybody might have noticed it down. So let me give you an example, and before that, let me explain what is V1 or V5 form. So every verbs have 5 forms. Example: play, played, played, playing, plays. So simple present form, that is V1, past form V2, past participle V3, gerund V4, and this present participle or SODS form. This is called V5 or SODS form. V4, V2, V1. We can mark that. So in English, all the verbs have this V1, V2, V3, V4, V5 form. So here V1 means this one. SODS form means V5. So here we can write V5 also, V1 or V5. An example, let me write down a sentence. He eats a mango. You see, in this sentence, he is the subject and eats. You see this verb which I have underlined. This is V1 plus S or ES. That means V5 form. You see, V5. Okay. So while you are changing according to passive voice rules, an object should come into the subject position. So bring this mango to the first position. A mango. So right now a mango is the subject. So you have to select an auxiliary verb which suits to this mango here. That means subject verb agreement should be followed. So a mango is singular. So with singular, is or are, which one is suitable? As you all know, is. A mango is. Then after that, eat is the verb. What is V3? Eat, ate, eaten. Okay. So here is eaten. Then before you are adding the subject here, so you have to add a by. Eaten by. Then he will change into him. Okay, so this is the changes. So it is very easy when the given sentence. So first of all, you should see what is subject, what is verb, subject, verb, what is object. This should be identified first. So this should be identified first: subject, verb, and object. So for your listeners, I thought that you might have noted down this. So that's why I am clearing this area. A mango is eaten by him. This is the sentence. So first of all, when you get a sentence, suppose the same sentence, he eats a mango. Okay, same sentence. First thing what you are supposed to do is identify the subject, then verb and object. So this is the first thing when you are changing an active voice into passive voice. The first step is that identify the subject, verb and object. So here, what about am and are when it comes? So let me explain you one more example. The same thing before going. He eats some mangoes. What does this sentence mean? There are many mangoes, and that some mangoes were eaten by this person. So this is the subject, this is verb, this is object. So here you see, what is the object? First you take on the object. Some mangoes. Some mangoes. Is it singular or plural? Definitely it is plural. So here first sentence you see, a mango is eaten by him. He is eaten. A mango was singular. That's why we have used is. So here among the, I have given you a table that there are three choices: is, am, are. So from that, is we cannot use here because this is plural. Am goes along with the I. So definitely are. A mangoes are because it's plural. So mango, some mangoes are. Then V3 of verb, eaten by him. So you might have understand. So this auxiliary verbs, that means that can be determined only by the object. When the object comes into the subject position, according to that the selection of auxiliary should be made. One more example. Look at this example, use of me. So here, example, you see, he called me. So when the object comes to the subject position, this is subject, this is verb. Instead of called, you should write because we are in present now. He calls me. So verb, this is object. So when the object comes in the subject, me will change to I. Then you should take one of the auxiliaries from three. That means is, am, are. With I, definitely am should be followed. I am. Then V3 of the verb. What is V3 of verb? Called. Called by. He will change to him. So this is the pattern. And what you are supposed to do is take as many as example that you can find from your textbooks or your own sentence, repeat it, and after that try to change it, convert it into positive voice. So that is the only way you can masterize this area. And also while you are taking a particular sentence for changing into active to passive voice, you should definitely care about one thing, is that verb in the sentence should be having an object. That means transitive verb. I will detailly explain what is transitive verb in the coming videos, but right now let me explain with a small example. Transitive verbs are the verbs which needs an object in order to complete its meaning. Example: he eats a mango. So he eats. So whenever you are saying he eats what? A mango. That means this object is must in order to complete the meaning of this verb. Okay. So this object is must. So that's why the verbs which takes an object in order to complete its meaning. The verbs are which takes an object in order to complete its meaning is known as a transitive verb. So, while you are taking a sentence, that verb should be transitive, then only you can make passive voice. Example, some other verbs does not take, some verbs are there which is not at all needing or not at all in need of a particular object. Suppose the dog barks. Dog barks. Birds flies. Dog barks. That sentence is complete. No need to think about dog barks but or birds flies but or were. So dog barks. That means it doesn't take this barks doesn't take an object. Like that bird flies. We need not to ask bird flies what or something like that. But here he eats what? Something should be there. That means this eat, the verb eat takes an object in order to complete the meaning in this sentence. So this is not a transitive verb. So whenever you are taking a particular word or so it's a sentence in order to change from passive to passive voice, you should definitely go for a sentence which is having what kind of verb? A transitive verb. Transitive verb. Okay. So let's try some example. He plays cricket. She kills a rat. I see a flower. Ram waits for me. So try these examples. So in this fourth one should be taken little care. For your purpose, for your business, I am going to solve it for you. Ram waits for me. So what is subject? What is verb? What is object? So subject, verb, object. So here you see me will change it I. Then after the verb am. Waiter for. So after the verb, this for you should I have waited for by Ram. I am waited for by Ram. Okay, so I see a flower. A flower is seen. So seen with the seen by me. So like that you try, and if in case if you have any doubt or queries, you can put it in the comment section so that I will reach back to you. So this is for today, and have a great day, great practice. Bye.